How confident are you in Shiba Inu coin? Oh, really? I mean, answer it. How confident are you in the cryptocurrency market? I believe a lot of you are going to trick yourselves. You're going to say you're very confident in Shiba Inu coin. You're very confident in the cryptocurrency market. And I know that that is a trick because right now, the Fear and Greed Index is showing the lowest level of confidence that it has ever shown. As a matter of fact, if you come out and you look at the CoinStats Fear and Greed Index, you see a level of 17 extreme fear. And over the last year, you can see that we've not even entered a level of extreme fear at all. If you come out to CoinMarketCap, you can see meme coins dominated by retail getting destroyed, down essentially 66% in the last 2 months. If you look at the Fear and Greed Index on CoinMarketCap, it is also sitting at a level of 17 extreme fear. And this one goes back like 2.5 years. It has never shown extreme fear going back through basically all of 2023. Guys, we are entering a situation right now where Shiba Inu coin is, I don't even know the correct word to use right now. It is being beaten down so far in price that it does not make sense. If you read the news articles surrounding cryptocurrency, the fear does not make sense. We're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, panic selling could be about to crash the Bitcoin price. North Korean hackers cash out hundreds of millions of dollars in $1.5 billion Bybit hack. First White House crypto summit leaves some investors unhappy. Guys, it's not just price action right now. The articles that are trending talk about further price crashes. The articles that are trending talk about people being unhappy. The articles that are trending talk about Russian assets being seized on these crypto exchange websites. Money laundering. We're back to the same stupid narrative that we've seen during bear markets throughout the, I guess, history of the cryptocurrency life. You know, one of the reasons that I didn't buy Bitcoin back in 2012, 2013 was because of these idiots that write these articles and they trick you into believing that crypto is nothing except for hackers, gamblers, money launderers, and drug dealers. That's their narrative, guys. And it's all you're going to see when prices are down. They're going to cause so much more fear in you that you cannot hold your cryptocurrency. And you know, think about that. I could have bought Bitcoin, and I probably would have sold it along the way, right? You know, I don't know if I would have held. I wouldn't have, right? If I would have doubled, triple, quadrupled my money, yeah, it would have been very, very difficult, if not impossible, to sit there and hold it forever. But imagine buying Bitcoin when I'm looking at it for $300 per coin and missing out because this is the narrative. The same's going to be said for guys looking at Bitcoin today at $80,400. Now, I know that's a far cry from 300, but the same's going to be said. We might not see, 1,000x increases in Bitcoin from here. Okay, I get it. But this industry is going to grow. Shiba Inu coin. You look at Shiba Inu coin right now, and Shiba Inu coin is beat down to 1,230 points per coin. Imagine not buying it, because this is the narrative that they're pushing. It's for drug dealers. It's for gamblers. It's for criminals. It's not for retail investors. It's for scammers. Guys, they paint such a negative picture. And I believe the reason they do so, because I don't think tariffs are scaring people the way that they're blaming them. I don't think that economic policy, I truly don't believe that retail investors even care about it. I really don't. I mean, if you go ask somebody that you see at Walmart today what their thoughts on current economic policy is, they're either going to look at you like you're dumb, or they're going to regurgitate something that they heard somewhere so that they sound intelligent. They're not going to give you their own opinion on it. And if they do, they're probably in finance. Okay? They're probably in economics. And even then, it's probably going to be just a regurgitation of what somebody else has told them. So what we're seeing, in my opinion, could very well be manipulation. Not necessarily manipulation in the sense that they go push a button and Shiba Inu coin's price goes up or down. They go push a button and they determine which direction it goes. Manipulation in the sense that they are dictating your thoughts and they are dictating your emotions. Because if you look at the emotions right now, fear and greed at a level of 17, fear, extreme fear. Guys, go to Walmart. Nobody's going to be running around crying because they're so afraid. But this is what financial markets are doing right now. Running around crying because they are so afraid. You see how it doesn't make sense? Afraid of what? Retail investors can't even answer the question. And because of that, I believe that this fear is manipulated. I believe that this sentiment is manipulated. They want your Bitcoin. They want your altcoins. They want your crypto. Not so that they can destroy it, right? Not so that they can bring the price back down to nothing. But because they know if they grab it at a $2 trillion, $2.6 trillion market cap, and it might come down to 1.5. It might come back down to 2 trillion. I don't know how far the bottom is going to be from where we're at right now. But what I do know is one day, okay, this industry is going to be worth $5 trillion. That's not too far-fetched, right? This industry is going to double. That's $2.5 trillion in wealth created. Do they want you? Do they want the retail investor to have $2.5 trillion in wealth? No. You see, those levels of wealth accumulation are only set aside for the kings and queens, for the politicians, for those that live up on the hill and look down at their servants. $2.5 trillion is not just life-changing, right? It's generation-changing. It's society or societal changing. $2.5 trillion is way too much money. And they know retail investors are in it. They can't have us, guys. They've got to scare us out. And because of that, it also lends to the idea that this fear is manipulated, that this fear is created. It's perpetuated by the articles they write, by the prices, by everything. Imagine when it goes to a $10 trillion market cap, or a 20, a $50 trillion market cap. And I'm not saying that Shiba Inu coin is going to be the leader, right? Absolutely not. I don't think that Shiba Inu coin is going to be going to a trillion, 10 trillion, $20 trillion market cap. No, that's not what I'm saying. The overall industry. So Shiba Inu coin will rise and fall with the overall industry. As you can see, it's falling right now. But if Shiba Inu coin rises as the industry rises, the vast majority is held by retail investors, and I know that whales are out there, right? But a lot of it's Robinhood, a lot of it's Coinbase, a lot of it's Crypto.com, and retail investors use those platforms. Binance. It's not that Binance owns Shiba Inu coin, it's people that use Binance own Shiba Inu coin. Guys, we are on the brink, okay? We're on the brink of falling off the cliff. We're holding on until the industry rebounds. We are going to see gains in crypto. Shiba Inu coin will rise again. Could it fall in the meantime? Yes. I'm not going to sit here and try and trick you guys into believing that I know exactly which way what's going to go and all of that. But I do believe that over the long term, I believe that over the next couple of weeks, months, years, this industry is going to see fantastic growth. And as it does, we are going to make fantastic returns as long as we don't fall victim to the fear. So one of the places I'm accumulating is the KSX exchange. That's what you guys see on the screen right here. Excellent platform to buy and sell and trade cryptocurrency. And one of the latest meme coins that I've been buying is Solixi token, because Solana is the playground for meme coin retail investors. And when Solana rises, when Solana becomes congested, Solixi token is going to be the go-to, because these guys are building a layer 2 blockchain, the first of its kind on the Solana blockchain. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.